Hey everyone, welcome to Navneet Gems channel again. This is a small video on a fine day, almost end of the year now, 2019. We just had Christmas yesterday. So I thought, I was reading some sapphires and I thought, what was my favorite color this year? In terms of sales, in terms of market demands, in terms of what really people are liking. And really mass production is all about cost, but at the same time, now it's most important that something unique works. And you know, this color that I'm going to tell you, which is the color of the year 2018, is something really special. It's something that looks like diamonds. It has good brilliance, of course, and it's a sapphire. It's a hard stone, and nothing better than a sapphire in this color. And really, I'm in love, and you know, everyone in my company is in love with this color stone. And it's really pretty. It doesn't give a very intense look, so it's not super dark blue or super dark pink or hot pink or anything like that. It's more pastel. Yes, you heard that right. So for me, the color of the year for sapphires would be this one right here. It's a peach pink, of course. You probably had this in mind, but peach pink is what really did well this year, and people love this tone, this color. Oh, that perfect blend of pink and peach, it's amazing. It gives us brilliance and gives you the feel of a diamond. Have you seen Sotheby's and Christie's auctioning these expensive pink diamonds? Don't you think this looks similar? I definitely think it does. I mean, they're also pastel, they have a good brilliance, they have a good hardness, but of course pink diamonds are rare, of course, much more rare than a sapphire. You would maybe see 15-20 pieces of this size, and in these maybe a couple of hundred, but in the whole market. So I would still say that, you know, this color stone is really my favorite. And if you ask me, will this continue in 2019? I think it will, because this color has been really popular of late, really popular. People are going crazy about this color. Everybody wants this color. Why? It reminds you of the beautiful sunset. Of course, it reminds you of the Paparasha. It is a Paparasha color. It is a lighter color, yes, it's not as intense, but it is a Paparasha color. And I think it is absolutely brilliant. So that was a short video about what we think the color of the year was in 2018 in sapphires. What do you think it was? Please put your comments below on this video and subscribe to our channel. We will be putting much more educational videos in the coming new year and ensuring that our people, our viewers, get the best updated news of the gemstones and its new treatments and whatnot is happening in the market. So keep in touch by subscribing, and please do not forget your comments about the color of the year. Thank you so much.